Hi everyone, welcome to Sparkle Beauty. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look with this palette. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you a brief review of this palette. Let's get started. So this is the Lakme Insta liner in gold, and I'm gonna quickly do a winged liner with this. So I love these Lakme Insta liners. They're really affordable and really good, and I've already reviewed these liners in my channel before. So if you're interested, I'm gonna put the link of the video down below, so do check that out if you're interested. And this is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade 03 Diamond Dust. I love these Swiss Beauty Liquid eyeshadows. They're really good, and I thought let's elevate the look a little with a little bit more glitter. So I've reviewed these liquid metallic eyeshadows as well in my channel, and I'm gonna put the link of that video down in the description, so if you're interested you can check that out. For this look I'm gonna be wearing the Nykaa Lash Talk lashes in this style OTT Drama, and I have already reviewed these lashes as well in my channel, and I'm gonna put a link of that video down in the description, so if you're interested you can check that out. So for blush, I'm going to be trying out this new blush by Colorbar. This is a really pretty blush, and I'm going to be using it for the first time, and I've already reviewed this blush in my channel, so do check that out if you haven't already, and you'll find the link of the video down in the description as usual. And I'm not going to use any highlighter for this look, as I thought this looks pretty on its own. I'm going to be using a lip gloss for this look, so I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner. And for this look I'm going to be wearing the Nykaa Glossy Top Lip Gloss in the shade 01 Honey Boo. It's a beautiful milky nude pink gloss, and it's really pretty. I love it, and I thought it went really well with this look. And I've already reviewed this gloss as well in my channel. If you haven't checked that out already, go check that out, and you'll find the link of that video in the descriptions as well. And this finishes the look, so don't forget to check out the review of the palette at the end of the video. So I created this look with the Nicka K-Pop Neon eyeshadow palette in the shade Watermelon Splash, and this is how the look turned out, as you can see. So what do I think of this palette? Well, the colors are really pretty and the look turned out pretty well. Some of the shades are pretty well pigmented, like this shade was really good. This is the shade I put on my crease and it was very pigmented and not chalky or powdery, and this shade was pretty good too. This is the shade I used above my crease to blend the crease color, and I really like this shade. This is the shade I have in the middle of my eyelid along with the Swiss Beauty liquid metallic eyeshadow, and this shade I thought is gonna be deeper, but it wasn't. The pigmentation is alright. The shades are really pretty that you can wear every day, you know, if you want that very flushed Korean kind of a look. But don't expect a very intense look with this. You won't be able to achieve that with this. You'll just get like really light fun pastel looks. It's a pretty everyday kind of palette. So overall this is a fine palette. It's a fun palette to try out for $350, which is $400, which is what I paid for this palette. If you want to try out something fun in affordable range, you can give this one a try. If you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, do give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.